You know when you're in the pub, a little bit, what should we say, happy with the day, and somebody comes up to you and goes, "You're a car guy. I've got a car. You must buy it." So after a bit of a discussion, looked at a few photos, I'm like, "Yeah, I'll buy that. Subaru Impreza WRX. It's not an STI." But the reason I got a bit nostalgic, I used to import these back in the day, the classic shape ones. I mean, at the height of it, I was doing like 70 a year, so it was ridiculous. I never slept for about 2 years. I haven't seen one in about 10, 15 years, apart from the odd one that comes in the workshop. And I just thought, yeah, I'll have this. Let's have a bit of fun. The car itself, 2006, so it's a late one for this shape headlamp. 80,000 miles, history folder like you've never seen, massive. It's been mapped, it's got a few little bolt-on, go faster bits on it. Don't think the engine's ever been opened up, so it'll be, take the engine out, service it, cam belt, needs a new clutch. It's not slipping, but it's really high. Bodywork wise, it's got a dent in every panel. I mean, the panels on these are paper thin, ridiculously thin. Interior's really nice, just keep that standard. The back end, inner sills and stuff needed welding. And I think this thing has been through a hedge backwards, as they say, probably at high speed, because the back end was pretty folded up. The wheel arches weren't rotten, which is unusual, but they were just absolutely battered. So I've replaced this arch, straightened out the other arch as best as I can, straightened the back end out, welded a few bits in, repaired the inner sills, repaired the inner arch. Actually not too bad, I've seen a lot worse. But bodywork, it's not my thing. So I've got a good friend who's mint with bodywork. He's going to come and sort it all out, because it'll need a full respray. It's had stupid things stuck on the roof. So all that's going to come off. Like I say, there's a dent in every panel. But I was thinking, why not make a 2005, 2006 WRC Rally replica? I found a wide arch body kit which comes with bumpers and wings, fenders, different offset wheels, just try and make it, look like a road going version of a WRC car of that era. All the graphics and all of that. The wheels are sort of period correct, but they're all smashed a bit, so I'll have to sort out a set. But if I'm going wide body, probably going to need different offset wheels anyway. That's it. The back end's all stripped out, ready to go to the powder coaters. Get all new arms, discs, back plates, brake pads. It looks like it's had an upgrade on the brakes. It's got huge Brembos. I don't know if they're STI ones or off something else, but that's good. It's got some big stoppers on it. So yeah, watch this space. Just drop in the comments if I'm missing anything, if you want more detail on the next episode, less detail. You guide me on how to do this. And throughout this episode, you get to meet my new apprentice, Dolly the Dachshund. Dolly, say hello.
Luckily, I have a vapor blasting machine, so I can quite quickly clean up all the crusty bits ready for painting. The problem with cars in the northern UK, in winter they use a lot of salt on the roads and it just destroys cars, totally destroys them. Don't think this has done too much winter work, but as you can see, it's pretty horrible. So yeah, there's a mountain of bits to get through, so I'll crack on with it and show you the results. Quick recap of where we're at. Myself and Dolly have been very busy today. All the holes filled in, all the welding done. Just need my body shop guy to come out and have a look, give his verdict on how bad I've done on this. All good. Rear subframe disassembled as we saw. A lot of bits have been aqua blasted now. Just decide what's going for powder coating with my good friend Andrew, or what's going to get painted, make the underneath pretty. The actual body is nearly ready to be coated, and I'm going to use Raptor that has color-coded paint in it, so it'll be the same color underneath as on the top. I think that'll look quite pretty. Then I can reassemble the back end, put it all back together. Need to make a parts list of everything I need to buy. And then I can move to the front end, and I must get the body kit ordered. I'm a bit excited about that, so it'll be quite cool. And that'll drive this project on once it starts looking something on the body. Yeah, good progress, considering it's sat here for 2 months while I've been away doing something else.